Hey, welcome back, Gary Brown Forging On. I can't get one job done around my shop without, or one project without getting forced to do another one. So I built this cart. If I find my link, I'll put it up here. I built the cart to hold all my hammers and tongs and stuff on wheels. My first mistake was I underestimated the amount of weight on it, and I bought some cheap little Harbor Freight wheels, and they just buckled underneath it. So I went and bought me some better wheels, but you know how it is, you'll do better stuff for other people, but you just kind of cut corners for yourself. And so I did that, and now I'm paying the price for it. So for the small wheels, I just had a piece of angle iron on the bottom of the leg of each cart, and it bolted up to it. And on the when I put the new ones on, they kind of sat back a little bit further. And then I've added, since I built that and did all that change, I probably double, if not triple, the amount of hammers and tongs on my cart, which means it's very heavy. So I went to roll it to move it out of the way, and then all that happened. And all of this. What happened was, when I put these wheels on, this angle iron bent. So I put the angle iron on, it bent. So I need to do this right. I'm gonna cut those all off, build me a rectangular framework out of some old scrap. Well, it's not really, it's new, but it's been sitting around. Somebody gave it to me, and it was sitting at their house for a long time, so it's got a lot of service rust, but it's some 2-inch angle iron, and I'm just gonna make basically a brace underneath there, because I never did brace the bottoms, and the legs would flex, which was also a problem. So I wanted to strengthen it up because of that, but now it buckled under and just fell over, and all my hammers fell out. Well, most of them. I dumped the rest up here on my workbench so they could be in my way too. So anyway, let's fix this cart so I can get on to some other projects. Suit it up. I'll work on this. I'm gonna listen to my book on my audio book. I've been listening to the Sackett series again. It's Louis L'Amour historical fiction. Okay, well, I'm all done. I may end up putting on this thing some kind of a tray. I got all this small stuff and it just piles on top. So I need some tray spaces. Maybe something. I would put some on the inside, but the hammer handles get in the way because they're all going down in there. But maybe I'll put some here on the outside. The other side I got a rack for my tongs. Maybe I have to add another rack sometime. But definitely a lot of solder. I made the angle iron. I made the frame out of this old 2-inch, 1/4-inch thick angle iron, which would be what, 50 millimeters by around 6 millimeters thick. But 2-inch by 1/4-inch angle iron. Measured it so that the legs would fit down the side of it, and then just welded it all in. And then I just welded the casters on. If they ever break, I'll just cut them off and put some more on. So now I just gotta load everything back on that fell out. Whew. My welding cap off. Oh, anyway, that's it. Y'all have a blessed day. Take you later. Bye-bye now.